Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can add a new email account on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So all you have to do is open your settings application on your phone, and then from here scroll all the way down, then tap on apps. So after doing that, here you can manually search for the mail application, or you can tap on the search bar and type mail. Here you can simply tap on the mail application and open these settings. Then from here tap on mail accounts, then you can tap on add account. After doing that, you'll have to now choose the platform. I have my Google email address, so I'm going to tap on Google. And then from here, now the option of adding down your email address or phone number will be given to you. So simply tap on this box and start typing down your email address. So after typing down your email address, tap on next. And after doing that, your password will be required. So if you have enabled any kind of passkey like your Face ID, Touch ID, or any kind of PIN, you can also use that. So for now, here my password is required. So after entering your password, again tap on next. And after that, here you can see it says you're signing back into iOS. So tap on continue and then tap on continue. Then after doing that, here you can see these are the applications that want your mail account access. So if you don't want, for example, the contacts to have the access of this email address, you can tap on it and disable it. And if you also don't want the calendar ones, you can also tap on it and disable it. For now, I only want my mail address access to this particular email address. So I have just enabled the mail and then tap on save. So after doing that, here you can see account has successfully been added onto our iPhone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.